Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on passwordless sign-in on Microsoft account. I repeat, how to turn on passwordless sign-in on Microsoft account. Now, to turn this on, it means to set up Microsoft Authenticator app. That's the way it will be passwordless. So how do you do this? First of all, you download and install the Microsoft Authenticator app on your smartphone, iOS or Android. Then you add your Microsoft account, or put the app and follow the on-screen instruction to add your Microsoft account. And the next thing you do is to enable passwordless sign-in by going to your Microsoft account, that is any browser you go to and type in the Microsoft.com, and then the next thing, you go to security section of your account setting. So this is what we're talking about, security section. So when you get the security section, enable passwordless sign in, or you can just simply look for turn on passwordless sign in. So I want to show it to you. So you have to verify your identity. The code will be sent to your email address, and you have to copy that code and input it. So after putting in the code, then you can now see this one. See this option. So you see passwordless account is off, so you turn it on. So start the passwordless account. Passwordless account reduces the risk of phishing and password attacks. So make sure you can still sign into your account after removing the password. You need to set up the Microsoft Authenticator app. Once you remove your password, you may lose access to some older apps, services, and devices. Next, on your mobile device, go to aka.ms/auth app to download and install the Authenticator app. Once you install the app, then select next. So once you install the app on your phone, next you select next. Then to sign into Microsoft Authenticator, follow the steps below. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code. Once you're done, click on done. So to make sure, once you've done that, you're true, you have turned on the passwordless sign-in on Microsoft's account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.